from this to this. Yes. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We do Excel and we will make a awesome analytical output dashboard just by using conditional formats. So let's get started. So you can see this is my data as I shown you before. Let's see how we will do this. We can of course do this in different worksheet, but for the ease of understanding, I'll do it here for you. My first step will be is to copy the data, and I will just delete this content. In my first row, I will just use equal and import the data as it is. Now the main game starts from here. For this, I'll need some ingredients, as we say. I'll go to insert and take symbols. I'll select one symbol this and another symbol this. Now what I'll do, I'll go here. I will write if this is greater than this, I want this symbol. Obviously, because if this is greater than this, admissions are more, right? And if it's not true, I want this symbol. Fine. So I will freeze these two cells because this is not need to move, and this will not be freeze because this need to move, as I will copy the whole. So with this formula I will get the symbol plus what I want. I will concatenate before it the number as it is, right? So first I'll get the number and then a symbol along with it. Guys, if you have decimal points also, you can wrap this cell with function round. Okay, so here is it. If you don't know how to use if function, I will put a link description where I have made a video for the if function in detail. So here it is. Copy this and we will paste it. So now you can see 89 is more than 78, so the admissions have gone down. Then from 78 to it has gone up to 98. We will just format it by the alignment section. So you can see, let's say if I make it 53. So you can see this symbol has changed. Let's say 67. See, this is also changed. This is down. Let's say 100. It's changed. Now I want to make it upper. Now admissions are changed. So this have become dynamic. Okay, now what we need to do, the color part. So very basic conditional formatting has been used to get the color part. We'll go to home and go to conditional formatting. Select new rule. Here you will go for classic and look for a formula to determine which cells to format. In Windows, guys, the same thing is there, but the dialog box of conditional formatting is little different. But to use a formula to determine which cells to format and other options you will get as it is. So no need to worry. You have, in this case, you need to see for the formula because we will be using formula to determine the color aspect. Okay, so what will be my formula? What I want basically, if my cell B4 is greater than the cell B3, what I want the color green. So I'll go to the font, select green color. I'll go to the fill and no color because I don't want any background color. I'll say okay. I'll say okay again. We have seen nothing has come. That is because we'll go to manage rule and here it says applies to. So it's basically applying the formula on cell B7. So I'll change it. I'll select this. I'll take this as my selection. I'm not taking the first row where 89, 34 and all numbers are written because obviously that data is not comparable because that's the initial data. So I will not select it. Here now data will apply to this selection. So what's my formula? My formula is from the main data that if B4 is greater than B3, apply this formula to everywhere the selected data. Now I will make one more rule. I'll go here, add a rule. Again, classic rule to formula to format. I'll say is equal to B4 is less than B3. Okay, you need to understand one thing. Why I'm writing this cell? Because if I select this is less than this, it is taking the dollar and dollar will freeze, as you know. I need it in a dynamic form. So I am writing the cell for it because I don't want any dollar. Okay, now I'll go to custom format. I don't want any refill. I want it as red because it's going down. Okay, and I'll change the application area. Okay, so why it's showing a one rule only, so I'll take and select this worksheet. So now you can see two formulas are there. The selection has been changed. I'll put it again as it is. I'll say, so this is the result. Now you can see whatever is going down, like you can see from 56 it's going 34, it's been red with down arrow, whereas 54 is more than 43, so it's going up. You can change it also. For example, let's say I will make 44 is 120, 355. So this how will work. So as soon as I make it 170, this has changed because it has become less. Now when I make it 12, you will see this is changed. So now it has become dynamic. This way when you will change your data in the input, your output will change automatically. So please subscribe, love, like, share the channel and the videos, so I will be motivated to make more great content for you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Love you.